How to fix camera not working on Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you are having problem with the camera on your Android. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your camera and check if you are able to take pictures. So here I have my camera open, and if I tap on this, as you can see, I'm able to take pictures for now. But if you're not able to do that, then you want to check if you have any cache on your camera app. Open up your settings and head over to apps. And from here, you are going to tap on the sorting icon to show system apps as well. So tap on show system apps and then tap on OK. Now you are just going to go ahead and find camera here. Go ahead and tap on this camera icon and then head over to storage. Now you're just going to clear cache from here and then head over to permissions. Now allow all of these permissions because your camera app needs all of these permissions to run smoothly. And then head over to battery, make sure it's set to optimized. You can try to force stop the app once, because sometimes if the app is lagging or something's happening to the app, for stopping it could be a good way to completely shut it down and reopen it. What you can also do is open up other apps like Instagram and check if the camera is working on these apps. If it's not working on any of the app, then it might be a hardware issue, so you're gonna have to take it to a repair shop or contact your manufacturers. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.